கொஞ்சம் ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக ஃபோட்டோ.
Good morning everyone. I am R. Monisha. I am studying in 8th standard A section. Today I am going to present a speech about Kamarajar, a great Kalvi Tandai and kingmaker of Tamil Nadu. He was a great Indian independence activist and politician. He was born on 15th July 1903 in Virudhunagar of Tamil Nadu. His name was originally Kamachi, later changed to Kamarajar. His father's name was Kumaraswamy Nadar and his mother's name was Sivagami Ammal. He was born in a poor family. His family struggled with discrimination and poverty. In 1920, when he was 18 years old, he became active in politics and joined the Congress Party. He served as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu in 1964 to 1953. Thank you.